Anya, and today I really want to make some chocolate cake, more specifically some eggless chocolate cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl, combine 1.5 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Warm 1 cup of milk and add in 1 cup of sugar. Mix until well combined. Pour in the milk-sugar mixture. Add in a 1/3 cup of oil. Add in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Pour into a prepared baking pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 28 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. I use my basic buttercream recipe, which I'll link. And I just added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I just wanted a light cocoa taste. I spooned the icing on top of the cooled cake. I spread it out evenly. And I decorated with sprinkles. Cut into the cake and enjoy!